Alright, it's engine start day. First time this engine has been started since it's rebuilt, and I really don't know how long this car has sat since it's run. I've never seen it run before, and I've had it for a year and a half. It's been 18 months, 18-month project I'm working on here. Got bare brakes, bare master. It's got Holley Sniper components. So we got the Holley Sniper under there. Sniper. So I've wired it. Coolant system. Coolant is a Champion. Dual fan. Alternator is 100 amp. The behind the bare brakes there is a Hotchkiss suspension system. So now it's time to find out if I wired it correctly. So let me do a couple things and I'll get back to you for the start. Alright, let's try the first start. Oh. You ready?
Yeah.
Keep an eye on that oil pressure.
Now.
Here we go.
Wait.
Yeah?
So, if it doesn't over rev, how do I kill the motor from out here?
I'm just going to turn the switch off. I don't think you can, other than take the power off the battery.
Battery off, that's what you'd have to do, yeah. Okay, very good. I just want to make sure I knew.
All right.
Yeah.
Here we go. You watching it?
Yeah, go ahead.
Here we go. I turned the switch off. I'm going to switch back on. I'm going to throttle it. Here we go. All right, switch off. So we got one or two problems.
This is wrong.
Yep, or we are wired to a source that doesn't have power during cranking.
I'm fine, Mom.
Okay.
Here we go. Gonna start.
Okay, that still went dead.
Okay. Does this seem like it's 180 out? Why is it running like that?
No, I don't think we got it. I think we're fine. It would have backfired.
Did you get shocked?
Well, it's about a week after the engine first start, and encountered two problems. One, fuel tank needed to be sealed, so I'm working on the fuel tank in the back. But the biggest problem, now you can see I've got the exhaust manifold back off, is right here. I got a leak, and I thought it was coming from those two bolts right there in the center, but turns out it's a cracked head. It's a cracked head. So that means head's got to come back off. For all this work, it's like one step forward and about 10 steps back. So I've got to talk to my engine rebuilder, and he's gonna let me know what we can do about it. That's about all I can say. So the engine actually did start for about 8 minutes, and I saw the water leaking out of the side, and it was significant. And then since then I've done a couple pump tests. I pressurized the system and watched it dribble out of there. Seemed to leak more when it was hot, but the primary spot was right here. So it's leaking right out of there, right about right there. That's where it's leaking. All right, can't base out.